Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see numbers up to 1000. Now, let me start with blocks. Single blocks are given. How many single blocks are there? Count one by one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, we have 10 single blocks are there. So, if you combine all the 10 single blocks together, then we will get one single block as 10. So, 1 tens. 10 ones are equal to 1 tens. I repeat again. 10 ones are equal to 1 tens. Now, here we have 1 tens. 1 tens means in each block we have 10. So, how many tens are there? 10 tens. How many tens? 10 tens. So, all the 10 tens combined together, then we will get 100. So, 10 tens are equal to 100. Next, we are going to combine several hundreds into thousands. Here, so many 100 blocks are there. We have to count the 100 blocks one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 100 blocks. 100 blocks combined together to form 1000. This is the place value chart which represents ones, tens and hundreds. By using this chart, we are going to find which number comes under ones, tens and hundreds. Do you know what is the value comes under ones place and what is the value comes under tens place and what is the value comes under hundreds place? In ones place, single digit number will come, as we have seen that single block like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 we have single blocks. If we consider the 10th block, then it will become 10 ones, that is equal to 1 tens. So 10 ones is equal to 1 tens means it is carried over to tens place. In tens place, if we get 10 blocks, then that is equal to 100s. Let me see an example to write the number in ones place and tens place. Here the number 12 is given. From right side we have to write the number. From right side, how many ones are there? 2 ones. Then in tens place, how many tens are there? 1 tens. So we get the answer as 1 tens and 2 ones. I repeat, 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So 10 ones plus 2 is equal to 12. So we can write 12 as 1 tens and 2 ones. Consider the place value chart that has ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Here so many blocks are given. We have to find which comes in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. How many single blocks are there? Let me count from the beginning. Here single blocks are given in red color. So count one by one. How many ones are there? 5 single blocks are there. So we have to write in ones place as 5. Next we have to find tens place value. How many tens blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So totally 6 tens are there. Now check how many hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 400 blocks. By using the given blocks, we have separated ones, tens and hundreds. 4 hundreds, 6 tens and 5 ones. Read the numbers using the given places. 465. Let me see the next problem. Here in ones place the name is written as unit. We can also call ones as units. There are 8 single blocks, so we have to write in units place as 8. In tens place we have 2 10 blocks, so we have to write the number as 2. In hundreds place there are 400 blocks, so we have to write the number as 4. Now we have to join all these three numbers together using place. 400, 2 tens and 8 ones. 428. Let me see the next problem. In units place, nothing is there. Nothing means no single blocks are there. So we have to write it as 0. In tens place, we have 9 blocks. There are 9 blocks. So we have to write it as 9. 9 10 blocks. In hundreds place, there are 800 blocks. So we have to write the number as 8. Join all the numbers together using places. Then we will get 890. Next topic that we are going to see is expanded form. By using the places, we are going to expand the number. Here 324 is given. We have to expand the number using places. In hundreds place, 3 is there. So we have to write 3 as 300. For 100, we have to put 2 zeros. In tens place, the number 2 is there. So 2 tens are equal to 20. So we have to put 1 zero after 2. In ones place, we have the single digit number as 4. So we have to write it as only 4. Now, if you sum up all these three values, expanded form 300 plus 20 plus 4, then we will get the answer as 324. As same as this problem, whatever the problem is given, we have to expand the given numbers using places. Write place values using places. Understand the concept clearly, then practice it. Thank you, my dear cuties.